All right, here we go, the test of tests. Hey y'all, the good folks over at Fullstar sent me over a 24-pack food storage containers, and it couldn't have come at a better time. Actually, I've had them a day or two. I just haven't done the review, but got something over on the stove that is requiring one of these. So I thought this would be a good time to get this opened up, and we'll take a look at it and see how good they are. We'll just check them out together here. Fullstar 24-pack food storage containers, leak-proof, hinge locking. Oh, that's cool. I didn't realize that. Never endure spilled food. We're going to put that one to the test. We're going to put some water in it and turn it over and see what happens. Anyhow, for microwave purposes only, the base of the container should be used to reheat your food items for up to a maximum of 2 minutes. Please refrain from using the lid in the microwave. Okay, so you can use the bowl itself, just don't use the lid. Kind of looks like a spider. Anyway, yeah, got the little arms on it. Oh, it's got a rubber seal around the lids too. That is cool. A lot of them don't have that. It's a pretty nice looking set, y'all. Let's get them spread out here and take a look at them. Yeah, looks like we have some sort of labels here. About that, we'll find out in a moment. There's so much of it, I don't really know where to start. Looks like those two are the same size, it looks like. Oh, okay, it looks like there's probably two of each size. Let's see, does that one fit? That's probably gonna be just about what I need for, yeah, those are the same size. Okay, I don't need all of these right now, but we'll check that one out because we're going to use this one. I'll have to wash it. Oh, there's a little ones in there too. That's cool. But this is the size I need, I believe. I do like the way those lock down. You just set it on there. You don't have to sit there and work it around. Just push it on there and push those down. Just like that. Easy peasy. Says that is a 4.2 cups. I don't really measure much, to be honest with you. We'll just go with it. 4.2 cups, y'all. And these are, what does that say? 1.1 cups. Looks like little butter bowls. I guess these go on there. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look, we got a bunch more lids here. These all look like that size. No, they're a little more square, aren't they? Here's that where we can see them. Those all the same size? Yep, looks like it. Oh, look there, we got some little ones here. Oh, what's these little round things? Oh, look at there. Hey, check those out. Like little, like little sauce cups there. You can put like ketchup or mayonnaise or cocktail sauce or whatever. The screw-ons, those are the same, yeah, that's the same size, isn't it? 2.3 cups, is that what that one said? 1.4 cups, okay, that's small. This is a little bigger. Wait a minute. That one's not. These fit inside there. So these are the same size as them. 1.4 cups, isn't that what we said? Yeah, 1.4 cups. So all those are the same size. Then we got some bigger ones here. Then we have some 3.5 cups. Looks like those go on here. Yep, got some more of them little sauce cups, whatever you want to call them. I'm sure they have a technical name that I don't know. Here's the rest of those lids for those. Anyway, moving right along. Here's some bigger bowls here. These are 2 cups. Look, the rest of the lids, where was it? Oh, these are for these. So it looks like you have like 2 of each size. That's nice, y'all. And here's some more lids. Look, we have some square ones there and a round one. I think these go to these up here. That was the first one we took out. Those go together. Wouldn't it be nice to have a full set? I don't know about y'all, but I have some, and I've got the lids to some, the bowls to some, but none of them really match. And sometimes you have to use saran wrap to make it right. Make it where it won't leak and get odors and stuff in your refrigerator. Anyway, wonder what that little round one goes to. Did it go? Oh, that's our second lid. So here. Okay, it goes to that one. Gotcha. Gotcha. And these will go to those. Looks like there's 4 of this size. 4 of that size. And 2 of that one, 2 of this one, 2 of these, 2 of these, 2 of those, 3 of these. 1, 2, 3. Got 3 of these. 3 of the 3.5 cuppers. So, oh, look here. That's what that's for. This is a chalk marker. I guess you can write on these and label them. Probably put a date on it would be a good idea for me. Not worried about identifying anything. It's a date that matters to me. Was it like 3 days you're supposed to keep stuff? Anyhow, there it is. What do y'all think? I like them. I like the way they fit on there with those little locks. Don't have to worry about it. Oh, we said we was going to test the water. Y'all want to test this size? It'd be a nice size bowl to test. Let's get the lid. And, hey, you know what? Let's, what size we, you know what? We might can get away with this size for what the, I said I was going to use that one, but this size here might be better. What is this, a 3.5 cups? I think that'd be about right. Let's test this one. See if it leaks. They say that they won't leak, so let's go to the sink and find out. Okay, I got this cleaned up and presentable over here now. Actually, it wasn't that bad, but as you see, I haven't used it yet and I haven't tested it. So we're going to try, oh, the mind right there. Anyhow, it's dry. I haven't used it, hadn't tried it. So we're going to learn together here if this will hold water. There's some water in there. That ought to be about enough. Okay, let's put the lid on it. I'm splashing water around. Let's get that dry so we can know for sure. Okay, I think I'm out of the way. All right. We'll move over here to the side. Put you at a little different angle. Make sure we got that on there good. We'll lock these down. Nope, I didn't have it on there. All right, got it on there. All right, here we go. The test of tests. So far, so good. What do y'all think? I believe that's 100% watertight. You know when I splash it. I see no water coming out. Okay. But this made me think about something, and I'm going to have to go look, because I was going to look and I forgot to look, and I'll be right back. Okay, we got the water dumped out of there. See, I had some Philly cheesesteak meat left, and I think that'll fit in there. But what I was wanting to check on to see if it was dishwasher safe. Let me grab that paper. And it is. It did say it was dishwasher safe, stackable, and they are freezer safe. Said over here it's LFGB and FDA approved. I don't know what LFGB is, but anyway, it's approved. It's polypropylene plastic, contains no BPA and something else or other toxins to leach into food. Pilates, PHTHALATES. Not real sure what that is. You probably do. I don't. But anyway, it don't have none of them things, whatever that is. But anyhow, it is microwave safe, dishwasher safe. The lid is not microwave safe. Remember, it said don't heat it over 2 minutes, and don't use the lid at all. It's probably because of that rubber seal, but that's okay. That is not a big deal. Throw a wet paper towel over it or whatever. Anyway, really nice. This is a nice set, y'all. It's showing you putting a bunch of vegetables in there, but I don't have no vegetables and things like that. But I do have some meat here that I want to keep because this could be lunch tomorrow. Anyway, nothing to it, and I like the idea that it is freezer safe. So if I had something I wanted to freeze, I could freeze it and it would be good. And we know it's leak proof. That was a good test. I thought, oh yeah, I have plenty of room. Probably could have used a smaller one. Oh, well, that'll be easier to heat up just as long as I don't do it over 2 minutes. Should be just fine. So I can put that back on there, snap those down. There we go. Water didn't leak, so we know that ain't gonna leak. Anyway, there they are, y'all. How do you like them? Hey, if you like them and want to order some for yourself, go ahead and look down in the description and I will put a link down there to the Amazon product page where you can order yours. If you got any value out of this video at all, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. And if you haven't done so yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button too. Because you just never know what we're going to have on Grandpa's Random Reviews, because the word is random. And very random. You never know. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Then you will know. So what do y'all think? I believe these are keepers. Definitely a thumbs up. I really like the idea that they're waterproof, or not waterproof, leak proof. Which not all plastic ware like this is. I've had quite a few of them leak. Anyway, even some of the name brand ones, I sure wouldn't trust them to flip it upside down. Anyway, not much else to say. Good bowls. I like them. Hey, I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.